Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to master Google Calendar in 2026. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize your schedule, manage meetings, set reminders, and use Google Calendar like a professional. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Click the Create button and select Event. Enter a title, choose the date and time, and add a location if needed. If you're scheduling an online meeting, click Add Google Meet to create a meeting link instantly. You can also invite other people by using the Add Guests option. For regular activities, use the Repeat option to create recurring events, such as weekly meetings, classes, or workouts. Next, set a notification reminder so Google Calendar alerts you before the event starts. After saving the event, switch to the week view to see your schedule more clearly. You can drag and move events to different time slots whenever your plans change. To keep your calendar organized, assign different colors to different types of events. For example, use blue for work, green for personal activities, and red for important deadlines. You can also create tasks directly inside Google Calendar. Tasks appear on your calendar and help you track assignments, projects, and daily to-do lists. For better organization, create multiple calendars for work, personal life, study, or family events. You can easily show or hide calendars whenever you want. Finally, use the search feature to quickly find any event and check settings to customize notifications, time zones, and other calendar preferences. That's how to master Google Calendar in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.